Hi everyone, this is my homework about conversation about the train. So let's start. So Bob, do you take a train often? Yes, Al, almost every day. Almost every day? That's a lot. Well, I enjoy the train and it's very convenient. I see. And it's the fastest way to travel across town. Are there many people on the train during rush hour? Well, there are many people in the morning before work, and there are many people in the evening after work. What about other times? At other times? No, not so many people. There is never a traffic jam on the train. There is never any traffic jam. That's good. The fastest way to travel. And I think it's faster than driving a car. So Bob, look at that side. The university? Oh whoa. We're waiting for the wrong train. We're on the wrong platform. Teacher? Yes, we're on the wrong platform. So, what do we do now? Well, we can take a taxi. Taxi is good. Yes, taxi is good. Let's take a taxi. And we will waste our time for waiting for the wrong train. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening. Bye.